हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे इस वीडियो में क्लास 8th सोशल साइंस के हाफ ईयरली क्वेश्चन पेपर के सॉल्यूशन के बारे में। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर से। व्हाट इज द लास्ट स्टेज ऑफ इंडिगो प्रोडक्शन? आंसर, मडी सेडिमेंट सेटल्ड एट द बॉटम एंड द क्लियर लिक्विड रोज टू द surface. Next question, where was wood mostly grown? Answer, Western and Southern Europe. Next question, what is a mutiny? Answer, it is a revolt among the group of people to oppose change against their officers. Next question, whom did the sepoys choose as their ruler? Answer, Bahadur Shah Zafar. Next question, when did the city of Bombay start to grow? Answer, middle of the 18th century. Next question, who is believed to introduce the rule of law in India? Answer, British officials believed to introduce the rule of law in India. Next question, what is the term of Lok Sabha? Answer, 5 years. Next question, what is the purpose of drilling? Answer, it is a method of investigating and removing things from surface. Next question, where is petroleum found? Answer, petroleum is found in Earth's surface. Next question, what are the benefits of organic farming? Answer, in organic farming, the use of chemical, fertilizers, pesticides and insecticides avoided and output get naturally. Short answers. Question number 1, describe the process of farming. Answer, the activities including in process of farming: soil preparation, sowing seeds, manuring, irrigation, weeding, harvesting, storage. Next question, describe the methods of mixed farming. Answer, in this farming, more than 2 crops cultivated in same piece of land. Next question, what are the uses of coal? Answer, we use coal as fuel at home and thermal power plant for generating electricity. Next question, how can people show their unwillingness against any unjust laws? Answer, people can criticize the unpopular law, held public meeting and write about it in media. In this way, people show their unwillingness against any unjust laws. Next question, how does the parliament control the executive? Answer, parliament control the executive to watch over the activities like question hour, 0 hour, calling attention. Next question, describe Delhi during the time of Shah Jahan. Answer, during the 16th century, Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built the walled city of Shah Jahanabad within Delhi and its landmarks, the Red Fort and Jama Masjid. Next question, who was Mangal Pandey? Answer, Mangal Pandey was an Indian soldier in the British Army and one of the key figures behind Sepoy Mutiny. Next question, who was Rani Avantibai Lodi in Ramgarh? Answer, Rani Avantibai was a freedom fighter who waged a war against the British to protect her kingdom. Next question, why did the company want to set up a large revenue system? Answer, the East India Company introduced land revenue system to increase the income of company. It was set up in different regions of the country based on local characteristics. Next question, what do you understand by permanent settlement? Explain. Answer, it was introduced by Lord Cornwallis in 1793 in Bengal. According to this settlement, the Rajas and Talukadars were recognized by Zamindars and collect the rent from peasants and pay to company. Long answers. Question number 1, Describe in detail the rulers and terms of Mahalwari settlement. Answer. Mahalwari settlement was one of the main revenue system of the British India. Holt Mackenzie introduced in 1822 in the northwest provinces of Punjab and parts of central India. This system derives its name from Mahal, which means a village. Land revenue collected in this system by the village headman and it was not fixed. Next question. Explain all the problems associated with the Nij system of cultivation. Answer. The problems associated with the Nij system of cultivation are following. It difficult to expand the area under niche cultivation because it cultivated only on fertile lands and these were already cultivated by dense population. It required large manpower to operate, but that time mostly peasants were engaged in their rice cultivation. It required large scale land and many plough and bullocks, but peasants, plough and bullocks were busy in their rice field. Next question. Explain how the company planned to bring the Mughal dynasty to an end. Answer. In 1856, Governor General Canning decided that Bahadur Shah Zafar would be the last Mughal king and after his death, his descendants would be known as Prince. Name of the Mughal king removed from the coins minted by the company. After the death of the Bahadur Shah Zafar, the family of the king would be shifted out to the Red Fort. Next question. Describe the features of New Delhi built after 1911. Answer. A new 10 square mile city on Raisina Hill was called a New Delhi, which was built south of the existing city as the new capital of India. Edward Lutyens and Herbert Baker designed the new city and its buildings. The features of the government buildings like the Viceroy Palace and Secretariat building were borrowed from different periods of Indian imperial history. Next question. How did the British want to build the city of Delhi? Answer. The Britishers wanted to build the city of Delhi because they fully aware of the symbolic importance of Delhi. They shifted the capital of India to Delhi. From Calcutta was announced in Delhi Darbar. The British organized Grand Darbar in Delhi to show their power. A Darbar to acknowledge Queen Victoria as the Empress of India was held in 1877. In 1911, King George V was crowned England. A Darbar was held in Delhi to celebrate the occasion. Next question. What is the basic idea of the democracy? Answer. The basic idea of the democracy is that the desire, approval and participation of the people of the country in the formation of the government and its functioning, the individual or the citizen is the most important person and all government institutions need to have the trust of their citizens. Next question. What type of laws existed in ancient India? When did this begin to change? Answer. The law in India evolved religious to modern law based on constitution. Through the recorded history of law started from the Vedic period. The Charter Act 1833, which was enacted by the British Parliament, provided for the establishment of a law commission for consolidation and codification of Indian laws. Next question. Write a short note on the non-conventional sources of energy. Answer. Non-conventional sources of energy are generally renewable sources of energy. This type of energy source include anything which provides power that can be replenished with increasing demand for energy and with fast depleting conventional sources of energy such as coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. The non-conventional sources of energy such as energy from sun, wind, biomass, tidal energy, geothermal energy, and even energy from waste material. Next question. Explain the production of biogas with the help of diagram. Answer. Biogas is a mixture of methane, carbon dihydrogen, and hydrogen sulfate. The major constituent of biogas is methane. Biogas is produced by the anaerobic degradation of animal waste like cow dung or plant waste in the presence of water. The biogas plant has a dome like a structure built with bricks. A slurry of cow dung and water is made in the mixing tank, from where it is fed into the digester. The digester is a sealed chamber in which there is no oxygen. An aerobic microorganism that do not require oxygen decompose or break down complex compounds of the cow dung slurry. It takes a few days for the decomposition process to be complete and generate gases. The biogas is stored in the gas tank above the digester, from which they are drawn through pipe for use. Next question. Explain primary, secondary, and tertiary activities with example. Answer. The main sectors of the economy are primary sector, extraction of raw materials like mining, fishing, and agriculture. Secondary, manufacturing sector, concerned with producing finished goods like construction sector, manufacturing and utilities like electricity. Service, tertiary sector, concerned with offering intangible goods and services to consumers. This includes retail, tourism, banking, entertainment, and IT services. In detail, primary sector, resource extraction, mining, farming, fishing. The primary sector is sometimes known as the extraction sector because it involves taking raw material. These can be renewable resources such as fish, wool, and wind power, or it can be the use of non-renewable resources such as oil extraction, mining for coal. Secondary sector. The secondary sector makes as distributes finished goods, manufacturing like producing cars from aluminium, construction, building homes, factories, utilities providing goods like electricity, gas, and telephones to household. The manufacturing industries take raw material and combines them to produce a higher value added finished goods. For example, raw sheep wool can be spun to form a better quality wool. Service, tertiary sector. The service sector includes retail, financial services, insurance, investment, leisure and hospitality, communication, IT, transportation. The service sector is concerned with the intelligible aspect of offering services to consumers and business. इसके साथ ही हमारा ये वीडियो कंप्लीट होता है। हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें, जिससे आपके पास तक हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशंस पहुंचते रहें। धन्यवाद।